Clients and friends, my name is Blaine Anderson. I'm a certified financial planner and an accredited investment fiduciary with Vander Wealth Management. If you're receiving this video, it's likely in preparation for an upcoming client appointment, or perhaps as a Q3 or Q4 update. What I would like to do is share with you a few things that we are hearing, seeing, and observing in the general market and in the world around us. I'd like to take a few minutes. I invite you to watch and to stay with me as I share some updates and things that we're finding pertinent and relevant to clients at this time. As far as an overview of the market and the economy, the U.S. economy has continued to grow in the first quarter of the 2024 calendar year at a 2.6% annual rate. Now that's a slowdown compared to 2023, but it's still good compared to the past couple of decades when the average growth rate was right around 2%. And even the Atlanta's Fed model is tracking at a 3.3 annualized growth throughout the remainder of this year here in 2024, which is above the 20-year average growth rate of 2%. So things do appear to continue to march forward from a general economic standpoint here within the U.S. economy. Key takeaways. This is as of the May 2024 meeting. The Feds have voted to hold rates steady at 5.25 to 5.5% for a sixth consecutive meeting and announced a slower pace of quantitative tightening beginning in June. So the timing of rate cuts will likely depend on the inflation growth data that will take place between June and September in those meetings. So I know we were anticipating maybe a reduction in interest rates, and so far we haven't seen that yet. We may still see some through the remainder of the year, but the Feds have given implication that they're not expecting to do it at such a fast pace or to lower rates anytime too soon, you might say. From an investment standpoint, we're noticing that a lot of investors, they have high amounts of cash sitting on the sidelines. And so you might even ask yourself, how much idle cash is sitting in your checking and savings accounts? Every week at Vander Wealth, our advisory team compiles a list of the highest U.S. Treasury and CD rates from banks throughout the United States. If you'd ever like to see those rates or compare those rates to what you're currently receiving, please let us know. We can pull from banks all throughout the country and invest in CDs and U.S. Treasuries within your supervised accounts here at Vander Wealth Management. And so our team can provide an analysis to confirm that you're receiving the highest rates on your cash. And especially with interest rates still being high, we definitely want to maximize that so that it's not being eaten up by inflation. So please know that's one item that we can easily and would happily share with you.